Want to learn how to code HTML in a few seconds? You've come to the right place. Let's start.
First, write HTML tag. Then write body tag. Then write head tag. Then write title tag. Then write whatever you want inside the title. Close the title tag. Close the head tag. Do a H1 tag. And write whatever you want inside of it. Do an EM just for fun if you want. Close the EM tag. Close the H1 tag. Close the body tag. Close the HTML tag. Now, click on File, save it as code.html, and save it wherever you want. Click on Save, open it in your Documents or File Explorer, click on it, and it should open in your web browser as a website. You just